Before generating your prize money reports, check the prize money summary in the Draws menu. If any changes are needed, follow the steps in the first video of this series. Once you have checked the summary is correct, or updated it, return to the Reports menu. Once in the Reports submenu, select your draft, and click Unpaid. Click the big red button that says, Generate Prize Money Reports. It can take quite some time to download all prize money. Once all prize money is downloaded, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen, to which you click OK. Next, same as with the refunds, click the Amount Received heading until any $0 amounts are at the top of the list. Mark any $0 amounts as paid. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and click Show 150 entries. Scroll back to the top of the page, click Select All, and download ABA. Upload this to your committee's online banking as a bulk payment, then mark all prize money receivers as paid in Campdraft One, to let them know that their payouts are being processed.